Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to reduce packet loss in Valorant. Well, so many guys of you got are like really having a bad time in Valorant. Well, that's not because they're on PC or their performance, but because they have really bad packet loss. Well, even if you have like the best internet on the earth, you will still have packet loss in Valorant because you didn't choose the actual thing that I was going to show you in this video. And if you don't have like the best like like a good internet, stay still till the end because I will show you a software that will help you fix your internet and it will like reduce your ping by a lot. It might even reduce it by half. So stay until the rest of the video. Now, for the ones who have like a good, decent internet, or even for the one who has like a normal internet or bad, please make sure before you start any game, you go ahead to play, and you see this icon at the top of your profile. Hover onto it, and only check the servers that have like the best MS possible. For example, I'm not going to choose Paris because as you can see Paris is really not good for me at the moment. So for example, if I choose Frankfurt, I will have 67 MS, which is actually pretty good. Now you can actually choose multiple servers. For example, you can choose Paris also, for example, because 73 is not that bad, but I really highly suggest that you do the same because like choose the top three servers, because when you click on starts, the queue might take too long for you to find the game. So as much as you choose many servers, as much as the queue will be so fast. Now, after you finish with that and you still have lag, I highly suggest you guys to go to your browsers and download Exit Lag. So Exit Lag is basically let me just find it. Here you go. So Exit Lag is basically a software that will choose the best servers for your Wi-Fi, and it will reduce your internet by half. So as you can see here, for example, they have multiple options of subscription, so you can choose the 1 month, the 12 months, or the 6 month, and basically it is so worth to buy, and it will not take too much to buy it, like couple seconds you buy it, and it's not even that expensive, it is pretty cheap, and it will make your game go really good and change your performance. So yeah guys, that's how you can reduce packet loss in Valorant. I hope you learned something from this video. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and see ya in the next tutorial.